Welcome back for my morning report analysis videos on Friday 9th of November with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at cable, which has started to fall away again. The Brexit news flow has turned a little bit sour today, and added to the fact that the dollar is strengthening as well. That started to weigh on cable. You're actually now seeing cable back below the pivot line, 130.50. Also that 23.6% fib level at 130.65. It's quite significantly below that, and sort of starting to break below, not quite yet, where are we at? Low of the day, 29.88, so broken below 30 big figure, not on a closing basis yet. So if it does have a closing breach of 30 big figure, the next two levels certainly 29.50, which is that reaction low from late last week. And then you're looking at 29.20, which is that old low, which on the hourly chart you can see actually it's a little bit of a pivot. Old low became resistance. So, which is now supportive. So 29.50 and then 29.20 below 30 big figure as a close. But you look at the deterioration that we're starting to see on the momentum. It's not all that great for sterling, is it? You've got the crossing lower now of the stochastics crossover sell signal back in October didn't do especially well for sterling, did it? So that coming with the RSI failing at 60 again, rolling back lower. MACD lines, oh good lord, failing under neutral potentially as well. So yeah, we could be under pressure for sterling if you get that closing breach of 30 big figure. It looks as though it's not too far away from doing that now. Yeah, you'd be looking at selling into strength in that situation. You've got this sort of near-term pivot, I suppose, around about 30.80, 30.90. That was an old level as well, 30.90 I might add, under the 31.75 reaction high, but certainly little stretched, you could argue, on the near-term hourly RSI, but yeah, any sort of unwinding move looks likely to now be possibly even a chance to sell. So yeah, this is beginning to shape up a little bit negatively again on cable for possible return towards the range lows if we do see that break below 30 big figure. So wish you good luck in trading today, and I'll speak to you later.